Another year has passed, and it's time to look back at another exciting year. 2022 has offered a lot of new and demanding filtration projects, and we are proud to have helped our customers to achieve better filtration of their products. We have worked on both new products, expanding our facilities and adapting to the new sustainability agenda. This will be a continuous effort from the side of HiFlux in many years to come. We would like to thank our partners for the dedicated effort to spread the word about HiFlux and for the many exciting projects. A big thank you also goes to our employees who have worked hard to develop, manufacture and deliver all our filtration solutions.
The whole HiFlux team wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas holiday and a fantastic New Year.